Welcome to Sarsa's with Ed John Briscoe. Teacher Rose, Teacher Ezreen, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Joyce welcomes you to your online lessons.
Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class for the second semester. How are you today? I believe everyone is fine and healthy. It's me again, Teacher Roseanne, a KG1/2 foreign teacher. This morning, we will have our social class. We will have a short review about colors. One more time, say colors. Again, colors. Let us spell the word colors. Are you ready? Let's begin. C O L O U R S. Colors. Again, colors. Can you see a beautiful rainbow? A colorful rainbow? Wow, very good. Again, say colors. Good job, KG1 students. Before we will proceed further, let us watch and listen first to this color song. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Matt. What's your name? Let's learn some more.
How's the video? Did you enjoy it? I hope you do. This time, please follow Teacher Rose and let us read the colors one by one. Are you ready? Let's begin. Red. Again, red. Yellow. Yellow. Pink. Pink. Green. Green. Purple. Purple. Orange. Orange. Blue. Blue. Again, say colors. One more time. Colors. Very good, KG1 students. This time, let us spell the word. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first color is, what is this? Very good. It's color red. Again, red. Let's spell the word red. R E D. Red. Red. Let us know what picture is color red. What is that? It's an apple. The apple is red. Very good. Let's proceed. The next color is color yellow. Let's spell the word yellow. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Yellow. Okay, what do you think is color yellow? Let us know what picture is color yellow. Can you please tell Teacher Rose? Can you help Teacher Rose? Can you give something that is color yellow? Oh, what is that? It's a sun. Okay, the sun is yellow. Yellow. The next color is color pink. Very good. It's color pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink. What picture or what object is color pink? Oh, what is that? It's a Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie is pink. Next, what color do you see? Its color? Green. Good job, KG1 students. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green. What picture do you see? It is a leaf. It's a leaf. The leaf is green. Green. Its color, green. Next, what color is it? Its color, purple. Again, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Its color, purple. What is that? Do you like to eat that one? What fruit is that? It's a mangosteen. And the mangosteen is color purple. The mangosteen is purple. Very good. Next color. What color do you see? Its color? Wow, very good. Its color orange. Again, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Again, orange. Good job. What is this? It's a carrot. Okay, a rabbit loves to eat carrot. The carrot is orange. Its color, orange. Very good. Next color. Its color, blue. Again, blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Its color, blue. Okay, what is this? Do you like to play with this one or do you watch this one at home? Who is this? It's a Doraemon, and Doraemon is color blue. Doraemon is blue. Its color blue. Again, say colors. One more time, colors. Before we will proceed with your activity this morning, let us have a short playtime first. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready. Let's begin. Okay, what picture do you see? What fruit is this? Wow, very good. It's an apple. It's an apple, and an apple is color. Is it color orange or color red? An apple is color, let's see. Oh, an apple is color red. Again, a red apple. Very good. Next picture. Who is this? It's a Doraemon. And what color is Doraemon? Is it color green or color blue? Okay, we'll see what color is Doraemon. Oh, it's color blue. It's color blue. Doraemon is blue. It's color blue. The next picture, what is this? It's a, who can tell, Teacher Rose? It's a sun. And a sun is color, is it color red or color yellow? The sun is color yellow. Very good. The sun is color yellow. Yellow sun. It's a yellow sun. The next picture is, what is this? It's a leaf. One more time, leaf. Okay, what color is the leaf? Is it yellow or green? Okay, we will know it also. What color is the leaf? Oh, it's color green. What color is the leaf? It's color green. Very good. A green leaf. Good job, KG1 students. And the next picture, what is this? Teacher Rose loves to eat this one. This fruit is called a mangosteen. Again, a mangosteen. What color is the mangosteen? Is it purple? Yes or no? Okay, let's see. Is it color pink? Okay, we'll know that one if what color is the mangosteen? Oh, it's color. What color is the mangosteen? Purple. The mangosteen is color purple. Purple mangosteen. This time, let us review all the colors that we have learned this morning. Please follow Teacher Rose. Let's begin. Red, yellow, pink, green, purple, orange, blue. Let us now proceed with your activity. And for your task this morning, we will work on this together. You can see this one on your book on page 24. But for the meantime, please allow Teacher Rose to share it with you online. Are you ready? Let's begin. On this part, who can tell Teacher Rose what is this? It's a notebook. Again, notebook. We have how many notebooks? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 notebooks. The first notebook is color red. The second one is blue. The third one is color red. And the fourth notebook, what will be the color of the fourth notebook? What do you think is the color of the fourth notebook? Who can tell Teacher Rose? The fourth notebook will be color blue. Very good. So let us color the fourth notebook with color blue. So I hope you can color this more beautiful compared to the work of Teacher Rose. So use color blue to color the notebook. The fourth notebook will be color blue. You may ask your mom or your dad to help you to color the notebook. Just use color blue, okay? And that's it. Just color it using color blue. Next one, what is this? Do you know what is this? Who can tell Teacher Rose? It's a colored pencil. Again, a colored pencil. How many colored pencils do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 colored pencils. And the first color is color yellow. The second color is also color yellow. The third color is color green. So the fourth color will be, is it color yellow or color green? Okay, so we will use the green for the fourth color. Okay, use the green one for the fourth color. Since we have yellow, we have green, and of course, the last will be color green as well. The third one, what is this? It's a bag. A bag wherein you put your book and your colored pencils. Okay, so also we have 4 bags in here. The first color is color purple, followed by color orange, followed by color purple. So the fourth bag will be color orange. Okay. The fourth bag will be color orange. Okay, color the bag color orange. Only the fourth bag will be color orange since we have purple, orange, purple, and if we will see the pattern, the last bag will be color orange. Okay. The fourth one, what is this? It's a chair. Again, chair. We have 4 chairs in here. The first color is color blue. The second color is color blue. The third color is color yellow. So what will be the color of the fourth chair? It will be color yellow. Very good. So color the chair, color yellow. Okay, use color yellow for the fourth chair. Only the fourth chair will be color yellow. You can ask your mom and your dad to help you how to color this one. And you may also look for the example given to you. And that's it. So we are going to color the fourth notebook with color blue, color the colored pencil color green, and color the fourth bag color orange, color the fourth chair with color yellow. After that, please tell your mom or your dad to please take a screenshot of your workbook and kindly send it in our respective line group. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again next time.